Hi, Megan Fass here, Fass Results. Super excited to show you our newest listing at 8002 Falstaff Road in McLean Hamlet. This stately brick colonial is expanded and renovated with an open floor concept and has 4 bedrooms plus 3 full bathrooms on the upper level. It's great, it's move-in ready, and it also has a fantastic backyard that's fully fenced, flat, and private. So come on in, let me show you how awesome this house is. And the website is 8002falstaff.com. As you can see, it's been expanded on the upper level and has amazing curb appeal with uplighting, night lighting in the front and back of the house with stately columns, a really nice slate walkway, and covered front porch. It also has nice storm doors. So coming into the foyer, nice hardwood floors. And it has 2 coat closets. We have a nice open floor concept here, and we have pocket doors. And also double pane windows throughout. So large kitchen that opens to the family room. Lot of counter space, stainless steel appliances. We even have a warming drawer, undermount lighting, and a 6-burner stove. With a great open floor concept and seating for 4 at the bar. You also have water here, the insta-hot, and a really nice mudroom off a 2-car garage. Great for putting all of the members' mail and extra pantry space, and a half bath conveniently located on the first level with extra storage. The family room, which goes right out to the backyard. You have built-ins for a TV, and can't wait to show you this amazing yard. So you have a really large pavered patio, great for entertaining, and a very deep yard with a storage shed, an area for a fire pit, and walkout basement. And just beautifully landscaped. You should see this in summertime. So this is really, you have multiple choices here. This actually also has pocket doors if you want to close off this room. The other option is you could actually take out this wall here to really make it an open floor concept, so you have multiple choices of how you want to arrange your furniture. And this is a large multifunction room with a gas fireplace. So we got one more light here. So you can use this as your second TV room. It could be dining, office area. A lot of options. And back to the spacious foyer. And as we go up, the hardwoods continue to the upper level. The master bath bedroom and bath have been expanded and totally renovated with amazing closets. 2 walk-in custom-built closets with some nice features, including custom drawers. Even have some of these pulls to hang. And then second closet with attic storage here. There's 2 of them, and there's lots of great storage up there. So just really nice to have 2 large closets like this. And again, new windows on this level. Take a peek at this great backyard again. The nice shed. And the renovated master bath has double sinks and lots of cabinet space, with a large walk-in double shower with a bench. And a private toilet room. And here's where we have the addition. So you have a nice office bonus area here. Lots of closets in this suite. 2 walk-ins here, as well as a 3rd closet. So this makes for a really nice office. And then this is the addition above the garage. Also has 2 more closets. Really spacious bedroom with an ensuite bath. So here are your other 2 closets. And this has heated floors, which is great. Granite, subway tile. Really nice. This is move-in ready. And then we have the 3rd full bathroom, also renovated. Also great subway tile with a tub. And 2 more bedrooms. And they have ceiling fans, which is great. And lots of closet space in the bedrooms. And your second attic is here. And then we have a finished basement with more office space, built-ins, and a second fireplace. And also a 4th bathroom. So we have this fantastic built-in office. Obviously great these days with people working from home. And the second fireplace. And you have nice natural lighting in here with these 2 windows. So great area, rec room. And we have a room over here, open floor plan. So this could be a gaming area. A lot of options that you have down here. Some have actually finished this to be a den for a guest room. as we have the 4th full bathroom, also renovated. And then we have a nice size storage and laundry. That also walks out to the backyard. And a storage closet here. And we'll get one last peek at this great open floor concept. Another nice feature is there are speakers throughout the ceiling. So it's really nice to be able to play music throughout. There's even a control if you want to turn the volume down while you're cooking. Just a lot of nice features the homeowners did as they lived here and loved it. So come on by. Would love to show you in person.